Alrighty, I think you guys know where we're at right here. Weber Lake. Let's see how we do today. Just after a rainstorm or ish that we had last night. Let's go. Alrighty, gloves on. I've never really been a glove fishing guy until I started using them. I thought it always looked kind of wonky, but if you give them a try after a couple seasons, I kind of like them. All right, what should we start off with? Let's start off with a jig. Alrighty. Start off a jig. That new line. Gotta back it up a little bit. Get my little pan there. Lined up. What I got here is an NRX 893C 7.5 extra fast medium heavy. Throwing a structure jig with a Strike King I think Rage Craw. I think I might have about to a little bit more. No more weeds. Dead pumpkin seed. That's not good. Saw one guy come here and just pretty much killed it with sleeper craw. Let's see if we can replicate that. Oh, got one. Got one. Whoosh. A rock bass. Choked it. Pretty nice size one. Alright, let's go. Like almost instant bite. Oh no, oh no. I'm gonna have to go over there and get it. I think there's a little bit too much chop. There you go. Early in the morning to be skipping, but this one is easier to skip. I think the dark sleeper is easier to skip. I think. Oh, what the hell? This line is like wonky as heck. Man, oh, this early and people are skiing already. God damn. Nope. Oh, got you. Where the hell did you come from? Where the heck did you come from? And you guys are hella skinny. You guys are hella skinny. Oh, Some busted over there. Got you. Okay. Oh shoot, IP. Yeah, on the sleep crawl. That must have been the one that was busting over there. Get my cadence on, and then this lights out on this skipping. There we go. Okay. Oh damn! I think I got stuck. Stuck there. That's okay. I don't want to go over there. Downfall of skipping. You lose a lot of lures, especially if you get it snagged. It's okay. That sleeper call is getting towards the end of its life, I think. Next one. Okay, there's a bite. Oh shoot! Darn. Damn, didn't take it. Must have been a really small one. Okay, there's a bite. Oh, are you serious? Are you serious? Must be sunnies or something. Yep. I think that's it for this dock. That's it for this dock. Dorados. Got one. Ooh, it's a good one. On the chatterbait. Oh, shit, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, it's a good one. Finally. Probably 2.5. 2.5 maybe. That's it. Wow, 3.8. Damn, that's almost a 4-pounder. Wow. It's a nice one. Okay. Here you go. Bye-bye. Thanks for playing. Got that on the trusty jackhammer. Sure, they're in these weeds. They're in these weeds. Most likely. Got one. Okay, they are close to this cover. Okay. Little baby. Oh damn, there's a loon nesting over there. There's a loon over there. There you go, it's like nesting. It's pretty cool. Oh, the loon. Damn. Hey man, start recording. Oh. Wow, I thought, what the heck was that? It's a loon. Right there. Scared me for a bit. I thought it was like a pike or something coming from my lure. Leave him alone. Shit. Just caught this little small one off camera, but on the next spot. Darn, battery had to die. Alright. Let's have at it again. 26 feet of water. Damn, that one was like spiraling in. Oh, that's a bite, that's a bite. That's a bite. Oh, get it, bite. Oh, it's on the jump. Oh, such a damn freaking pike. Pop right off. Damn. Come here, come here, come here. There you go. Oh, damn, afraid my line. That's a close one. A close one. Well, this looks like it's going to end this trip to White Bear Lake. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.